Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install Clipchamp on your PC, and here's how it's done. Open your preferred web browser and go to the official Clipchamp website. On the homepage, you'll see an option to download for Windows. Click on this button to start downloading the installer for the PC version. Once the file is downloaded, open the installer file usually found in your Downloads folder. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. This will involve accepting terms and selecting installation preferences. After installation is complete, you can open Clipchamp from your start menu or by searching for Clipchamp in the search bar. Sign into your account or create a new one if you don't have one already. Once logged in, you can start using Clipchamp to create and edit videos on your PC. And that is everything you need to know about how to install Clipchamp on your PC. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.